Last night I checked in here at the Riverside Hotel here in Boise, Idaho. Had a great night's sleep in my room and heading down to the breakfast buffet. It's one of the best breakfast buffets I've had in a hotel. That's complimentary. Getting some exercise, working my way through all the hallways here to get to the dining area for the breakfast. Once I get down there, I'm definitely going to have a cup of coffee and wake up. But a reminder, it's June 19th, Wednesday, 2024. You know, on vacation, it's hard to keep track of what day of the week it is.
They're renting a
There's a swimming pool and the hot tub. This is about the third time we've stayed here in the summer, and it's really great walkability index, I would call it, for getting around town from here. I really enjoy walking along the Greenbelt, which I'm going to do now. Normally on motorcycle road trips, long distance trips, I love to walk a lot. The Sandbar Riverside Hotel's restaurant. It's only 10:30 in the morning, so not much is going on right now. I try to get in at least an hour walk a day, probably averaging maybe 5 days a week, but I'll walk out here for a half hour and turn around and head back to the hotel. And then after that, maybe kick back in the hot tub and relax a bit. New condominiums that are just being built here along the river. Heading across the Boise River Bridge. And I'll be on the east side of the Boise River and then head south back to the hotel. That's the Riverside Hotel.
You're welcome. Okay, we're going to be leaving the concrete and walking on dirt here, our natural path. Don't want to wander off the path and get into any of that poison ivy or poison oak. That would ruin my vacation. Here's one of the many ponds on the east side of the Boise River. Boise Whitewater Park. This is one of several of the waterfalls for the kayakers to go down. You can see way up there some more falls. I'm going to walk over that bridge. I only have about a quarter of a mile. I'll be back at our hotel on the right side of this view. That's the west side of the river. I'm looking south.